Hey guys, it's Ashley from Little Explorers Big World, and today we are at a local butterfly festival. You guys know we've been studying Mexico and how the monarch butterflies migrate all the way to Mexico. Every year we've got some butterfly activities in our Mexico unit, and today we want to come here and explore the life cycle of the monarch butterfly. Butterflies and what? Because butterflies are cool.
The Butterfly Festival was so much fun, and it provided lots of opportunity for learning through play.
Hey! Are those butterflies exoskeleton?
What color is that?
Red.
Red! What color is... what color is this?
Black.
Black! What color is this?
White.
Oh!
Happy cow.
See, he's covered up my butt. Where did they go? Do you know where they went? No? Did they take a nap? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they fly to Mexico? So it's the Butterfly Festival, and we are learning about the life cycle. However, it's been a hard winter for butterflies, and many of them have not emerged from their chrysalises yet. So we're learning about moths as well, and we have seen, we think, one monarch butterfly, but we're still having a lot of fun talking about the monarch butterfly life cycle and how they travel back to and from Mexico. All right, well, hopefully we'll see some butterflies at the Butterfly Festival. The jury is still out. I've counted 3. However, we've seen a lot of moths.
Very impressive moths.
Yes.
Next, we decided to check out the rest of the Nature Center. We learned a lot about our local wildlife, including frogs,
Water? What do froggies say? Ribbit, ribbit.
birds,
Look how much longer his wings are than your arms. Wow. That's a big bird.
Try yours, Daddy.
All right, I'll try mine. Ready?
Okay. All right, you ready?
Whoa! That eagle's bigger than me.
It's longer than Daddy's arms too.
Whoa!
That's
crazy.
alligators,
Show me the alligator's head.
and turtles.
Oh my goodness.
Baba.
No, no ribbit.
But our favorite room was the bug room.
Right here.
That one?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Where do they fly to?
That's one.
Yeah.
Which one's this?
That's like if this butterfly was lying on its back, that's what the underside of his wings look like.
What a fun day of exploring and learning at the Nature Center. Thanks for joining us.
next